The theory of planned behavior is a psychological model that explains how human actions are guided by intentions, which are influenced by three main factors: attitude, subjective norms, and perceived behavioral control. Attitude refers to a person's positive or negative evaluation of a behavior. Subjective norms involve social pressure and the expectations of others, and perceived behavioral control reflects a person's belief in their ability to carry out the behavior. According to this theory, people are more likely to engage in a behavior if they have a positive attitude toward it, believe others support it, and feel capable of doing it successfully. The theory of planned behavior was developed by Isaac Eidson in 1985 as an extension of the theory of reasoned action. The earlier model suggested that behavior is driven only by attitudes and social norms, but Eidson added perceived behavioral control to account for situations where people may intend to act but feel unable to do so due to external barriers. This addition made the theory more applicable to real-world situations, as it recognized that motivation alone is not always enough. People also need confidence and the ability to overcome obstacles to follow through with their intentions. One example of the theory of planned behavior can be seen in health-related decisions, such as exercising regularly. If a person has a positive attitude toward exercise, believes their friends and family support it, and feels they have the time and ability to work out, they are more likely to follow through. Another example is recycling, where an individual may be more likely to recycle if they believe it benefits the environment, see that their peers expect them to do it, and have easy access to recycling bins. The theory also applies to academic behavior, such as studying for a test, where motivation, peer influence, and self-confidence all play a role in determining whether a student follows through. One strength of the theory of planned behavior is its ability to predict a wide range of behaviors, from health habits to consumer choices. Because it considers social influence and perceived control, it provides a more complete explanation of why people act in certain ways. Another strength is its usefulness in designing behavior change interventions, as it helps identify specific factors that can be targeted to encourage positive behaviors. For example, public health campaigns can focus on changing attitudes, increasing social support, or reducing barriers to action to improve success rates. One weakness of the theory of planned behavior is that it assumes intentions always lead to behavior. But in reality, people often fail to act on their intentions due to distractions, lack of motivation, or unexpected obstacles. Another limitation is that the theory does not fully explain behaviors that are performed automatically or habitually, since these actions may not involve conscious decision-making. Additionally, while perceived behavioral control is an important factor, it is difficult to measure accurately, as people may overestimate or underestimate their ability to perform a task. An alternative to the theory of planned behavior is the trans-theoretical model of behavior change, which suggests that people go through different stages when adopting a new behavior, such as pre-contemplation, contemplation, preparation, action, and maintenance. This model focuses on gradual change rather than assuming intentions directly lead to action. Another alternative is the self-efficacy theory, which emphasizes a person's confidence in their ability to succeed as the main driver of behavior. While these theories differ in their approach, they all help explain how people make decisions and change their behavior over time.